Okay, so we got some more of our dumpster bags in, and we're gonna let John demonstrate how one person can put these on the frames. In our last video, we showed you how to make a frame like this, and now we're gonna show you how to put them on. We're just gonna put a little bit on each side. These things are so simple. And then you're just gonna go back and work each side again. Then you're just gonna flip it up. You're just gonna pull it up. Make them corners sit in the corners. And it's just that simple, and then you just place it wherever you want it to be. I am gonna come back and put some zip ties across these handles. John, if you'll grab that other handle. Meet these together. I'm gonna put some zip ties like that just to kind of keep it stable and secure, and that'll finish it up. Just wanted you guys to check it out. So if you guys will, go in and subscribe, like, and share our video. Have a great day.